I was about to remove my oil cap to add a additive to clean the engine. I noticed that my oil cap wasn't coming off, so I've been turning and turning, and it sounds like the teeth in there or something is messed up. So I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm gonna just try to use a flathead right here and pry this off and see if maybe I can get the oil cap off. I've never experienced this in my life before, so it's kind of new to me. So yeah, it looks like that's worn out. It's probably like an aftermarket oil cap, but still that part is still stuck in there, so I don't even know how I'm gonna change the oil now. So we'll see what I can come up with. Maybe I can get some pliers and just turn this around to remove it. Luckily, I was able to remove the oil cap off, and as you guys can see on here, the teeth on the oil cap are worn out, so that's why I wasn't able to unscrew it. Luckily for me, a while back I ended up buying this engine thinking that I was going to be able to use the intake cams on my vehicle. This will give you about 5 to 6 horsepower on a 1999 Infiniti G20. Now I'm out of luck because mine's at 2000. So anyways, I wasn't able to use that, but the good thing about it is that I was able to get a valve cover. So I'm just gonna use this one right here. It should fit up to my valve cover, so I guess that's a good thing about that. But yeah, fits perfectly, so pretty easy fix for that. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this stuff in the engine for a little bit and flush out the old oil because I haven't changed it in a while, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty dirty.